Now I'm popping, 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 losing in the ocean. Now I'm popping, 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 losing in the ocean.
I'm excited!
Popping, popping.
Hey YouTube, it's Jen and I am back with another video. So right now I am on my way to the mall, and well, not really on my way, but I'm about to stop in here to get some hygiene products up in Marshall's. But I'm on my way to the mall because I am shopping for the giveaway. If you guys haven't entered, oh my god, this giveaway is gonna be huge. We've just added bundles to the giveaway. Are you guys excited? It's a whole lot of stuff, so I'm excited about that. But yeah, I will get back to you guys when I am. It's too dark. They only took 99 cents off. Have you ever seen the ice bag in person? That's crazy because don't you just see these like on movies? And then we have some lemon mint lip repair balm, which I might use. It might be commodities. While we're here, I can get some curly hair products. I'm excited. Moisturizing wrong. Why am I catching a lot of... So, I don't know why. Don't ask me why I have on eyeshadow, but I do. I had wiped off all the makeup on my face because I just wasn't in the mood to be feeling it. So, I just threw on a pair of glasses, and these are from Quay, Australia. We got egg noodles. That's always a go every time I'm in one of these places, okay? All right. Let me see what I can't even see with these on. That's why I take them off. Oh, gym and tonic. Collagen protein. Yes, give me collagen. I think I'm just gonna take one of these proteins for now. Organic protein, pumpkin spice flavored. This is whey protein and cinnamon. That sounds pretty nice. It's only $20. Terra Origins. Bodies by Jen. When you think you're vlogging, but you're not. Those egg noodles are so bomb. I can't wait to make a healthy little meal. I got that raw, honey. I got that raw, honey. I got that raw, honey. I got that. When you gotta go to the gym, get your gym and tonic. And your massager. You know, fudge that fat around. Okay, I need big ones for my bathroom. I need more, you know, flame time. Oh. I can't believe I just knocked the face out of my head on this glass. Oh, that smells relaxing, but I don't think I want to sit down at the toilet while smelling that. That stinks. What about this? Ooh, okay. So this is shea butter and coconut. That's all. I don't know if I want to pay that much, but it'll probably be taken out at the process of elimination. Camera's gotta be like in a men's room. Oh, wow. Smell it. Do you guys smell that? Isn't that good, you guys? Oh. This is called lemon leaf and sage. Let's go. This is cute. Damn, I think I was about to rip a little piece off. I feel like that just slid in my throat DMs. All right, you guys, I'm excited. I got the sugar honey iced tea. You're such the rubber dang man bitch like me. Okay, so we are going into the Westfield Culver City Mall, the Fox Hills Mall, and I'm excited because I am getting you girls some makeup from the store. I think I'm gonna go to Ulta and Sephora. I don't know about MAC just yet. That'll be one of the bigger ones. But this is a huge giveaway. Are you guys excited? Because I am. Okay, so I've really been wanting this. I've been seeing this with God. So good. Don't get this misunderstood. Oh wait, they got pecan praline. Guys, if you know me, this is my favorite bread. How does it go? Can I get 2 scoops?
Yeah, and a cup or a
A cup. Sorry guys. Ice cream makes me happy.
Big